Well, if you're looking for a home or a little piece of land, there's only one name trusted all across the land. From city lights to countryside, they'll help your dreams come true. Blessed be, got the perfect spot just waiting there for you. Come on down to Blessed Be, the best in property. Buy your house, buy your land, get the best deal in the land. Blessed Be, yes indeed, they got everything you need. Safe and strong, the future's bright. With Blessed Be, it feels so right.